Welcome back to another English speaking practice. This lesson is designed to help you speak without fear. Many learners know words but cannot form sentences naturally. This practice will help your mouth and brain work together. You will hear simple, real-life English. These sentences are used in daily American conversations. Listening carefully and repeating aloud is the key. Slow practice today will make fast speaking easier tomorrow. Find a quiet place. Sit comfortably. Relax your shoulders. Now let's begin. Waking up feels calm today. Sunlight enters the room gently. The alarm stops ringing. A new day quietly begins. Stretching the arms feels good. Feet touch the floor slowly. Balance feels steady. Morning energy starts building. Walking to the bathroom feels natural. Cold water refreshes the face. Eyes feel more awake. A deep breath feels relaxing. Looking in the mirror brings confidence. The day looks manageable. Nothing feels rushed. Everything feels possible. Turning on the shower feels comforting. Warm water relaxes the body. Thoughts become clear. Stress slowly disappears. Dry clothes feel soft. Comfort matters today. Choosing simple clothes feels right. Movement feels easy. Entering the kitchen feels familiar. Fresh air fills the space. The fridge door opens quietly. Simple breakfast feels enough. Bread warms nicely. Coffee smells amazing. Steam rises slowly. Morning feels peaceful. Sitting at the table feels grounding. Each bite feels satisfying. The body feels grateful. The mind stays calm. Checking the phone feels optional. Messages can wait. This moment matters. Silence feels good. Cleaning up feels light. Hands move naturally. The sink shines again. Order feels nice. Shoes slide on easily. Keys fit in the pocket. The door opens smoothly. Outside air feels fresh. Walking down the street feels pleasant. Traffic sounds are soft. People walk with purpose. The city wakes slowly. Crossing the road feels safe. Signals change clearly. Patience feels natural. Timing feels right. Reaching the bus stop feels routine. Others wait quietly. No one feels rushed. Time feels steady. The bus arrives gently. Steps climb inside. A seat feels comfortable. The ride begins smoothly. Buildings pass by slowly. Conversations sound friendly. Words feel understandable. Listening becomes easy. Getting off the bus feels simple. The sidewalk feels busy now. Coffee shops open early. Smells feel inviting. Entering a cafe feels warm. Music plays softly. People smile politely. The mood feels friendly. Ordering feels confident. Words come naturally. The cashier understands easily. Communication feels successful. Waiting feels relaxed. The drink arrives soon. Hands feel warm. Gratitude feels natural. Sitting by the window feels perfect. People move outside. Life feels real. Moments feel meaningful. Standing up feels ready. Work calls now. Steps feel steady. Focus begins. Office doors open smoothly. Greetings sound friendly. Smiles feel genuine. Belonging feels good. Sitting at the desk feels familiar. The screen lights up. Tasks feel manageable. Confidence stays strong. Typing feels smooth. Ideas flow clearly. English feels comfortable. Progress feels real. Time moves forward steadily. Breaks feel refreshing. Water tastes good. Breathing feels easy. Looking outside helps. Stretching feels healthy. Energy returns naturally. Motivation stays high. Lunch feels deserved. Food tastes better. Conversation feels relaxed. Laughter feels natural. Afternoon work feels lighter. Understanding feels stronger. Responses feel quicker. English feels less scary. Packing up feels satisfying. The day feels complete. Effort feels rewarded. Pride feels quiet. Walking back home feels peaceful. Evening air feels cool. The body relaxes. The mind rests. Home lights feel warm. Shoes come off easily. Comfort returns instantly. Safety feels good. Dinner smells inviting. Simple meals feel best. Talking feels easy now. Words flow better. Sitting quietly feels nice. Reflection feels healthy. Growth feels visible. Practice feels worth it. Confidence grows slowly. Fear fades naturally. English becomes familiar. Speaking feels possible. The exchange feels natural. Conversation feels effortless. Steps move steadily forward. A dog barks somewhere nearby. Laughter comes from across the street. Life sounds simple and real. Returning home feels comforting. The door closes quietly behind. A deep breath fills the lungs. The body feels relaxed again. Turning on soft music feels calming. Lights stay low and warm. The couch feels comfortable. The mind slows down gently. Checking tomorrow's schedule feels organized. Plans look manageable. Nothing feels overwhelming. Confidence stays steady. A message appears on the phone. Are you free tomorrow? A quick reply goes out smoothly. Yes, I'll be available after 5. Typing feels easy now. Sentences form without stress. Thoughts connect clearly. English feels natural. Later, brushing teeth feels routine. Water runs softly. The mirror reflects a calm face. Progress feels quiet but real. Climbing into bed feels peaceful. Blankets feel warm and soft. The room grows silent. The day gently ends. Before sleeping, a thought appears. Speaking English felt easier today. Listening felt clearer than before. Fear felt smaller. Practice made the difference. Exposure built confidence. Repetition strengthened memory. Consistency created comfort. Morning comes again. Light enters the room slowly. Energy feels fresh. Opportunity feels new. Getting ready feels quicker now. Movements feel confident. The mirror shows determination. The mind feels focused. Outside, the city moves faster today. Traffic sounds louder. People walk quickly. Energy feels stronger. At the coffee shop, the cashier smiles. Good morning, how's it going? A clear answer follows. Pretty good, thanks. How about you? The response feels smooth. At work, someone asks, did you finish the report? A calm reply comes out. Yes, I sent it this morning. No hesitation, no long pause. Just simple communication, clear understanding. During lunch, a coworker says, want to join us? A confident voice replies, sure, that sounds great. Conversation flows easily. Ideas come faster. Listening feels sharper. Speaking feels stronger. Later in the afternoon, can you help me with this? The answer comes naturally. Of course, let me take a look. English is no longer heavy. Sentences feel lighter. Thoughts feel organized. Expression feels free. On the way home, a stranger asks, is this seat taken? A friendly answer responds, no, go ahead. The moment feels normal. Confidence grows quietly. Comfort builds daily. Mistakes feel less scary. Practice feels powerful. At home again, a friend calls and says, are you busy right now? A relaxed answer comes, not really, what's up? The conversation continues smoothly. Words come without forcing. Meaning stays clear. Communication feels natural. This is how fluency develops. Not through pressure, not through perfection, but through real moments. Each day adds experience. Each sentence adds strength. Each conversation adds courage. Each practice adds clarity. English becomes part of daily life. Fear slowly disappears. Confidence replaces doubt. Speaking becomes normal. And tomorrow will bring more chances. You did a great job today. Listening itself is progress. Repeating daily will change everything. If this practice helped you, like the video to support the channel. Subscribe for more calm English lessons. See you in the next class. Take care and keep practicing.